Hi guys, I'm back with the gel polish mani. So I do have on one coat of UNT Peel Off Base Coat on top of my builder gel. It just allows for easy removal of the gel polish. So the gel polish that I'm going to be using today is by Madam Glam. The color I will be using is Fade Away, which is a nice glittery orange. And I did purchase this color with my own money, so this is not a PR video. And FYI, Madam Glam gel polishes are HEMA free. And so let's just get into this application. It's just a two coats of color. This is a nice orange sparkly color. I thought it was perfect for, you know, October, November, fall. Very nice color. Now with this one, since it's a one color mani, I did have some orange rhinestones that I applied, that I was going to apply, but they blended right on in with this color. So guys, just hang out with me while I do this gel polish application. And so I'm going in with the second coat after I cured for 30 seconds. And with the second coat, the color became, in my opinion, prettier, and it reached the opacity that I like. Now you can go in with a third coat, but I wouldn't recommend it. And so with the second coat, I'm just kind of moving the glitters around. I thought this color was absolutely beautiful. I don't use glitter gel polishes too often, not with kind of chunky glitters in there. And so when you're doing that, you can kind of move the glitters around to where you want them to be on the nail, especially if you notice any areas that kind of have gaps in it where there's not as much glitter on the nail. So these are the nails with two coats of color, absolutely gorgeous in my opinion. And so I'm then going to go in and apply Madam Glam's No Wipe top coat and cure for 30 seconds, and I do that off camera. And so here are the nails with the top coat, nice and shiny. Nice and shiny. And so I'm then going to go in and apply Madam Glam's Elixir, which is their one of their cuticle oils, just to rehydrate nice cuticles, my skin, and also my nails. And so I do have a discount code that will be in the description box below. So this was a quick mani, and so you guys will definitely have to let me know what you think. What do you think about this color? And you comment. So like this video, leave a comment, let me know what you think, whether or not you like this color or not, and if you've used chunky sparkly glitter gel polishes, and if you have any recommendations, and subscribe to my channel. It is free. So I thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a wonderful week, and I will see you next week.